morning. I am starting a little later today. I mean, on time. I'm 6 minutes earlier as always, but I left the house a little bit later than usual. So we're gonna walk to the spot of our practice. I'm gonna show you this cathedral that is so beautiful. And today the day is really nice, although cold. It's about 12 degrees Celsius, 48, 50 Fahrenheit. Good morning, Joey. Where are the birds? Again, it's Sunday and no birds. That's so bizarre. As if they're taking. Oh my God, can you see there is like a cat? Oh, you probably can't see, but right on top of that rock, like there's a white spot. This is a cat. Oh, if she stays there later, maybe I can take a close up. So no birds, but cats. Interesting. Let's see where we can have our setup. Okay. Let's see if I can tag people today. What do you say, Joey? Are you able to see the full foliage? I'm not sure I understand. Foliage, maybe you meant? If so, yes. There's a lot of great colors. Good morning, John. Yes, this is what you meant, Joey. Yes, the foliage is really beautiful. I'm enjoying it to the full, to the, to the fullest. Tag. I think I tagged everybody I wanted. I hope. Oh, look at this duck. Good morning, Yanni and Leo. Oops, sorry, this is my coffee making this noise. Come on, duck. Show up on camera. I don't know if you can see it, but it's a lonely duck. Not no others today. Anyway, I'm gonna angle it here. Whoever shows up, shows up. Good morning, Gina. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will begin looking at the first guideline in the wisdom theme of how we act. And that guideline is kindness. So to be kind means to be friendly, caring, generous, benevolent, considerate, respectful, affectionate, fair, and many other things probably to many different people. But in general, kindness is to say, I want you to be happy. And we all know in our hearts when we have received or offered kindness because of the warm feeling it brings. Is there really anyone who does not want to experience kindness from another person? Kindness knows with exquisite wisdom when it is appropriate to say or do something. Kindness is found in small details, a gentle touch or a soft support, sustaining eye contact for just that moment longer can be kindness. Making that telephone call, remembering the little things that make somebody smile. If we act in a kind way, it may seem that we are putting someone else's happiness ahead of ours, but it really doesn't work this way, does it? Being kind invariably feels good, lifts our own spirits, nourishes us in ways we don't always acknowledge. So really, everyone benefits. Many studies show that kindness, the spirit of being friendly, caring, considerate, or whatever it means to you, is linked to greater life satisfaction, longer lifespan, stronger relationships, better mental and physical health. And of course, kindness can be expressed externally and internally. Everything is interdependent. You cannot truly be kind to others unless you are genuinely kind to yourself. So today we will start our reflection on kindness with the external focus, being kind towards others. Take a comfortable position and, as usual, take a few moments to settle in and notice what's happening inside and outside. With every easy and uncontrolled breath, dissolving the boundary between the inner and outer, resting in this oneness that is so supportive, so comfortable. It feels like home. With every exhale, you can allow yourself to drop a little bit more tension and remind yourself of the support of the ground that carries you. Remind yourself that you don't need to hold yourself up, that you can release and soften. Now remember a situation that you've had when you may have been unkind to someone, Maybe you were too busy, distracted, wrapped up in your own concerns to pay attention to anything else in that moment, to actively seek out an opportunity to support another person or an animal, to be kind to them. So try to recreate the situation in your mind's eye and notice what you felt back then when you were unkind to somebody. What is it that you're feeling in your body as you think about it? What emotions come up? What thoughts? And can you remember what made you choose this path of unkindness? Was it something important? Is it as important now? Does it seem as important now as it seemed back then? And be honest with yourself. There is nothing wrong with you. We all do things like this. So looking back at that situation, try to detect the exact moment when you could have actually turned to kindness instead. So when you could respond instead of reacting. The Dalai Lama says, whenever possible, be kind. It is always possible. Whenever possible, be kind. It is always possible. So now see if you can relive the situation in your mind, but acting kindly. So recreate the same situation and let's reframe it. Choosing kindness in that moment when in real life you turned to unkindness. And as you do this, notice what's happening in your body. Does choosing kindness make you feel any different in terms of sensations, physical sensations, emotions, thoughts? Tara Brach says that her daily prayer is, please may I be kinder. Please may I be kinder. So as you recreate the situation in your mind, reframing it to kindness, maybe repeat this mantra, please may I be kinder, and see if it becomes easier for you to choose kindness, to create space in that situation so that choice is possible. Research suggests that kindness is like a muscle that needs to be strengthened through repeated use. So as you go about your day to day, see if you can remember to put this theory into practice by doing some acts of kindness, however small. Maybe you smile at a person you don't know. Maybe you say something nice to your friend or partner without any particular reason. Maybe you take a pause before you respond to an annoying email to see if you can create some space for kindness here. Space in which choice is possible, in which instead of acting out of your fight and flight negativity bias, knee-jerk reaction, you actually respond skillfully. And maybe as you go through your day, include Tara Brach's prayer. Please, may I be kinder. Please, may I be kinder. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and may it be filled with kindness. I'll see you tomorrow.